Alright everyone, we just announced we're going on a new trip, and so what does that mean? That means I get to pack the tech bag. Yep, and that's coming up right after this. Alright everyone, welcome back to Traveling with Justin. I am Justin, and on today's video, we'll be packing the tech bag with all my tech. Here's a picture of my tech right here. All right, and so we're gonna pack it and we're gonna see if it all fits. Now that's the tricky part. So we're gonna start with the front panel here, and we're gonna put my battery backups. I got two of them. My wife will probably steal this one. And then we're gonna take the possible batteries and put them right here. Take my AirPods and put them there. Take my lavalier mic and put it there. My Loom Cube right here. My SD cards, I'll put those right there. Zip that up. And now we're going to unzip it so it folds down. Now I do not have my laptop because I'm still using it, and yeah, I'm still using my laptop. I have everything else. So let's go ahead and we're gonna put the scale right in here. The Osmo Pocket right here in the side. We're gonna put the tripod there in that side pocket. We're gonna put the Kindle right there, and then we're gonna put this folder where I keep all my tickets and stuff like that. I have tickets to Wicked, I have the cruise itinerary, and now it's all online, but you should keep it handy. And I can put like my expenses and stuff back in there. Okay, my iPad will most likely go in another bag, so we'll keep that out. We have a notebook. We'll put my cord bag down. So this time, I don't have my miniature backpack, my collapsible one from Eddie Bauer. I put that in my luggage, just so I can free up room in my backpack. I'm gonna put the keyboard right in here. And my Mantis Pod will probably go here on the side. And this one right here, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I can put it on the side, but it kind of sticks out. Yeah, let's see if I can put it inside. I can probably put it inside my bag. We'll have to see, because it might have to go in my check bag. All right. So we have most of the bag packed. Now I have this right here I picked up, and I'm just going to attach it to my backpack. And what this has in it is it has a USB power cord for my phone, and it's got a pair of headphones. So I can just take it off my backpack and I can have them all in there. So I'll put that on there. And then this I have a bag for, and I'll put it in my bag a little bit later. I'm going to take a water bottle with me this time. And that goes right there. Okay. That is it for my tech backpack. I got a question for you. Do you like this shirt? Do you like the color of this shirt? My wife does not like it. If you like it, leave a comment down below. If you don't, leave a comment down below. Tell me why. All right, everybody. I am back from my trip to New England on a cruise on the Enchanted Princess. I just wanted to follow up a little bit on my tech bag. Let's grab this tech bag right here. So this tech bag, let's see how heavy it is. Oh, I need to grab something. My water bottle. It's empty right now. It was empty for the majority of the trip. I only filled it up after I went through TSA, you know, because there's no liquids. So let's see how heavy this bag is. So 21.72 pounds. So yeah, this bag right here is 21 pounds, almost 22 pounds. So I've got to figure out and go through here and see if I really need all this stuff. Yeah, I didn't use some of the stuff, but it's there, like my battery backup, I didn't use that. My wife used one of them. We didn't use the other one because that was heavier and she didn't want to carry that around St. John's and play her game on her phone. But I got to figure out to try to get this a little bit lighter, but I don't know how to do that. So, but I will update you on my next trip. All right, guys, I'll talk to you in the next one and see you later. Bye.